How to remove screen lock on your Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application on your device, simply scroll down. As you scroll down, here you can see the option of passwords and security. So tap on it. Now here you can see the option of screen lock. So tap on it and just verify yourself. And then here you can see the option of turn off screen lock. So tap on it. Now as you do that, it will give you a pop-up that after you turn off your lock screen password, recorded face data will be deleted and you will not be able to unlock the device using your face. So tap on OK. Now as you do that, you have removed the screen lock on your Android phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.